20 years ago, three best friends went on a road trip to Goa, and that changed the definition of friendship as shown in Hindi cinema. No points for guessing which film we are talking about. Dil Chahta Hai, it is. Goa's Chapora Fort got more popularity because of this film. But did you know the history of this fort? Come, let's know about it.
Hi guys, today we are here at Chapora Fort in Goa. The fort is located in Bardes, Goa, rises high above the Chapora river. The site was the location of a fort built by Muslim ruler Adil Shah called Shahpura, whose name the Portuguese altered to Chapora. It has now become a popular tourist spot and offers a view north across the Chapora River to Pernam, south over Vakator, and also far out to Arabian Sea in the west. Talking about the history of the fort changed hands several times after Portuguese acquired Bardes. Trying to end the Portuguese rule in Goa, Prince Akbar joins his father's enemies, the Marathas, in 1683 and made this place his base camp. It became the northern outpost of the old conquest. After the Portuguese recovered from an encounter with the Marathas, they strengthened their northern defenses and provided shelter to the people there. Across the Chapora river, the Hindu ruler of Pernam, the Maharaja of Sawantwadi, who was an old enemy of the Portuguese, held the fort for 2 years. The Portuguese came in 1717 and carried out extensive repairs of the fort, adding features like bastions and a tunnel that extended to the seashore and the banks of Chapora river for emergencies. The fort fell to Bosle in 1739. In 1741, the Portuguese regained the fort when the northern taluka of Pernam was handed over to them. In 1892, they completely abandoned the fort. When Goa's border moved northwards with the acquisition of Pernam as part of the new conquest, the fort lost its military significance towards the end of the century. The fort sits on a prominent position which commands views in all directions. It also has steep slopes on all sides. The fort follows the outline of higher slopes. This forms an irregular outer walls that uses the natural form to add defensive height to the fortifications. This offers an advantage over dry ditches being dug. At the top of the steep approach track, the main gate is small and unpretentious but narrow and deep. Depending on defense requirements, the positions of the bastions are irregularly spaced with enormous embrasures for cannon. Each bastion has a cylindrical turret offering a special character to the fort. Inside the fort, only a few signs exist of the barracks and housing that once filled a vast area. The wide expanse of the open space is only a tumble of stones where a few herds of goats graze and cashew bushes grow. A naturally valley to the beach protected by rocky promontories provides an excellent natural access to the sea. The fort of Chapora got popularized by the movie Dil Chahta Hai and is now a prime attraction of Goa. This is the actual location where the Dil Chahta Hai scene was shot. But now it looks completely different. Even the Finding Fanny movie and scene was shot here. That's it from here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and do share, like and comment. Till then, take care and bye bye.